What's up, guys? Welcome back to Tech It Up. This is the third episode for the Samsung Galaxy customization and tweaking series. Today, I'm going to show you a, the most common app or the method that is utilized to customize or theme not just the Samsung phone but any Android phone. So right now, as you can see, I'm running the Samsung Experience, which is the default, and the app which I'm talking about is the Nova Launcher. You can download the free version of Nova Launcher from the Play Store, but I think it's worth buying the app and utilizing it or customizing it for your screen. So let me go into the app. So right now my default home launcher is Samsung Experience. So as when I press my home screen, it loaded the Samsung default themes. But let me go back into the Nova Launcher. Let me go into the Nova settings and make this as my default launcher. So right now it's Samsung Experience Home. Let me make the Nova Launcher as my default. So now when I let me say it always. So now when I press my home screen, my default home screen or everything is customized based on my Nova Launcher. You will see that. So let me go back into the setting again. So first thing in the setting, there are different sections using which you can customize the different aspects of your phone. I will not go in the deep details for every this because everybody likes to customize the phone the way they want. But I will go and show you some of the things that you can customize and make your phone truly and truly yours. So let's go in the desktop. So all the section, everything that you see here is mainly to customize your desktop or the main page of your phone. So when you go desktop grid, this is main thing. So let me make it 4,5. Say done. Let's go to the home screen. So now when you see my Google search bar and everything is arranged properly, and I don't have any icons or anything on my screen, so that's why you don't see. But if you have, then you see it will be in it will be like 4 rows and 5 columns. Icon layout, this is, you can change the size of the icon up and down. Right now it's 100%. That's how, if you want, you can reduce the size. That's how it will look on the screen when you raise it. Some of the other thing is the search bar. You can make it there, you can remove it. The scroll settings, I don't have any icons on my home screen, but if you ever have icons on your home screen, that's how it's gonna, the effect, you will see the different effects. So you can use based on your, and you can see a small preview window there, so you can use whatever you like. Page indicator, so if you have a lot of icons on your home screen, you can actually have none of the page indicators, or you can use the dot, and it, if you see use the second one, it tells you which one is highlighted, which page you are on. You can also change the color of that using the indicator color. Let's go back, go to the app and widget drawer. So for app and widget drawer, let me show you quickly. So as you can see, I have like four columns and like 4 or 5 rows. Let me go and change this and show you the effect. So like I'm in the app drawer, I have, as I said, 4 column, 4 rows. Let me make it 5 columns and 5 rows, or let me make it 6 rows. How about 6 column? I like to fit the order. Similarly, like icon, it's 100%. I can reduce the size to say, just to say 80%. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, so you can see my icon sizes are very small now, and you can see I have 6 columns and 6 rows on one screen, and the scroll effect is I have right now, which is up and down. Go back to the settings. This frequently used app, if you switch on that setting, that's what on the top it shows, the frequently used apps that you see on the top. app drawer style, I have selected it vertical, that's why it's going up and down. You can select it horizontal, so since if I select it horizontal, it goes like this, and you can see the indicators here, the page indicator at the bottom of the screen. I like to change it to vertical, so let me keep it vertical. Okay, swipe to open, swipe indicator, you can play with the settings. Pretty sure you can see how it works. Let me go back, go to the third one, which is dock. So this is, you can enable or disable the dock. First of all, the dock background, you can see at the bottom the preview, you can change it, see how the dock will look. You can change the image, the color of the dock, so it's blue. I can make it black. You can choose any image from the gallery and make that as your dock. You can increase or decrease the transparency. So as you can see, I made it, or I can make it really transparent. Okay, dock pages, on how many pages you want the dock. You only want the one dock on the main page, or you want your dock on the second page also, you can change that. This is the number of icons that you want on the dock. You can have maximum 7. I kept it at 5, so you can change it according to your taste. Go back. Next is the folder. You can change the folder style. How do you want? Folder background, you can choose from the different options that gives here. Look and feel. So this is another thing which you can use. You can download different themes from the Play Store, which you can apply with this. Right now, if you see, this is what the theme that I have. Let me go and change it for you. So what I have is TouchWiz Asset Icon Pack. Let me say Marshmallow 6, just for an example. You see, it looks little different, not a lot, but some of the things has been changed. Okay. What else on this? Screen orientation. It's auto rotate, force portrait, force slide. You can make the changes as you want. This, you can increase or decrease the scroll speed. So animation speeds, any animation when you open a folder or anything, that's where you can increase or decrease the animation speed. Let's go out. Night mode, I had kept it always because I like the black background of my phone. It saves the battery also, but you can say it custom, and you can select the time that at from this point to this time you wanted night mode, otherwise it will be normal. Or you can do it auto, which is in the daytime like 6:43 to 8:10 it will be like white, and after 8:10 p.m it will become black. I would like to keep it always, so I'll go back and change that. Go back. Gesture, I don't use a lot of gesture in my scenario, but this is like swipe up, swipe down. You can have or define different gestures that you see here, and then use your phone accordingly. So for double tap, I have no gesture, but you can assign a gesture to it, which is like recent apps or screen lock, whatever you like or you want to, and that will be very useful if you use that. Okay, last but not the least is the notification badges. So as you can see in the notification badges, you can choose the style, which is numeric badge. So none, dynamic badge, dots, or numeric badge. So which tells you the number of notification of the badges on a particular app. So I go with numeric badge. You can customize it wherever you want on the app. So you can want in anywhere on the app. You can set it. You can set the size, large, medium, small. You can set the style that you want to custom. You can choose the color if you select custom, that what color of badge you want. You can choose the classic style, you can choose this, or you can choose the material. I like the material, so I'll go with that. That's it for this. One very important thing, that you have to download the Tusta and Red settings, that and you can download this app from the Play Store. This is kind of a necessary for getting the badges on all the apps or whatever app it supports. So when you go inside the Tesla and everything, you can switch on the apps on which you want to see the badges, or you can, if you don't want to see the badges on some particular apps, you can disable it here from here. So this is some of the things. As I said, I will not go into detail of each and every setting of this. This is something that you would like to play and see how it works for you, or what you think is best for yourself, or the changes that you like it or not. But I think that this is the most easiest and the most common way to actually theme your phone, any Android phone. And as I said, I think it is worth buying this app. You can download the free version, play with it, and if you like, buy it. I think it is worth buying it, because this gives you your own flavor of the phone. That's it, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, or comment. There will be the last part, part 4, for the theming the Samsung Galaxy phones, and that is my favorite. So please subscribe to get a notification or the update for the last part of this. Thanks. Bye.